Century 21 Olympian agents are experienced to get you the best price available. Call 832-553-8300 to start now. Best kept secret available now. Newly remodeled 3-bed/2-bath, 2-car garage with small fenced-in yard steps to Galleria, quick access to Freeway and Westheimer, zone to Street George Elementary. You will love the open floor plan, tiled throughout, updated kitchen appliances, alarm system and water filtration system. Equipped with stackable washer-dryer. Available for immediate move-in.